Teknos spray training days are designed for anyone factory finishing timber joinery. The one-day intensive course covers all the theory and hands-on elements you need to spray safely, efficiently, and to achieve a flawless finish. Whether you come to our training facility in Oxfordshire or we come to you, you'll learn how to correctly set up a pump and gun for optimal results with Teknos paints. We'll cover the extraction requirements for safe spraying. You'll learn how to identify and resolve common spraying issues, as well as how to read and understand system specification sheets and other essential theory. We'll show you how to measure the wet film thickness of the paint and explain why it's so important, and how to properly maintain the equipment. Preparation is core to the training course, and you'll learn about all the products required for timber joinery. You'll then get to practice spraying more intricate pieces of joinery and learn the proper techniques to get a flawless and long-lasting finish. Contact us today to book your session.